Oh, yeah, baby. Look at that bad boy. Aussie breakfast is absolutely gorgeous. So the Aussie breakfast has brioche bread with crushed avocado with coriander and lime in it. They've made their own sort of chili oil salsa thing and poached eggs, and it's really, really good. Really good. I've really enjoyed it. It's lovely. Is it cold? It's a bit chilly. I'm not going in any further today. So you asked the question with this time of year with wasps. I hate wasps. And I thought I'd look myself, I go, does anybody ever have a wasp for a pet and tame it? Or does it just sting you to death anyway, never mind what you do? It's just evil. And wasps are the shit stains of society. There we go. Hope you enjoyed your day at the beach, darling. It's been amazing. We're now going to get some chips because it's always about the chips at the beach, and go for a wee. It's been fun. Just chilled out, relaxed. With something that's just broken in my hands. It's really brittle. Oh. It's not poo. Unless it's black and flat. Hello, these are chips at the seaside. That's normality.